am so scared. My teacher just told me about apophis. Can we save ourselves?
Are you talking about the asteroid? That's been trying to give astronomers anxiety since 2004?
Yes, of course. The asteroid. It's supposed to swing by Earth in 2029. Closer than our satellites. That's like cosmic loitering.
You're not wrong. On April 13th, 2029, apophis will pass just 19,794 miles or 31,860 kilometers from Earth. That's inside the orbit of our geostationary satellites.
But here's the wild part. If it squeezes through something called a keyhole, we're toast in 2036 or 2068. Is that real?
Unfortunately, yes. The gravitational keyhole is a narrow region in space, about 600 meters wide. If apophis passes through it just right in 2029, Earth's gravity could tug it onto a collision course for April 13th, 2036.
That sounds like threading a cosmic needle with a death rock.
Exactly. Back in 2004, scientists estimated a 2.7% chance of impact. That's a 1 in 37 shot, enough to cancel your weekend plans.
So, should we start building a bunker then?
No need. With radar and optical tracking, NASA and ESA have since revised the odds to basically zero for 2029 and 2036. As of now, apophis will miss us for the next 100 years. But we're not ignoring it.
Still, what if it did hit us? Hypothetically?
At 340 meters wide, it would hit with the energy of 1,200 megatons of TNT, about 80,000 times the Hiroshima bomb. Cities? Gone? Regional chaos? Tsunamis if it hits water?
So, real end-of-the-world vibes?
Not dinosaur extinction level, but definitely cancel Earth for the day level.
Is anyone doing anything about it?
NASA's on it. They've repurposed the OSIRIS-REx probe to become OSIRIS-APEX and study apophis up close after the 2029 flyby. If anything's off, even by millimeters, they'll know.
You know what's wild? That this rock was named after a god of destruction and still might change its mind.
Space has a great sense of irony. But hey, if you want to help save the planet someday, maybe look into astrophysics instead of Fortnite skins.
Deal. But if I find a bunker on sale, I'm still sending you a link.